Live from Milan Fintech Summit 2023 here in Milan at Allianz MiCo. We are in the Unicorn Tales column, the first of this second day of works about the world of fintech. In this moment, we are together with Ben Laidler, who is a global market strategist at eToro. Thank you for being with us.
Great to be here. Excited to be at the conference.
So Ben, in these days we have talked about the investments market, the fintech industry, and also all the innovation in this sector. But today we have to focus on the education of this sector. So how is important to educate the people to embrace the financial services, investments industry, and also investments approach, mostly according to you as a unicorn, as a company with 15 years of presence in the market?
Yeah, so we've been doing this for 15 years. We have 33 million registered users in 100 countries. So we're everywhere. The importance of education, I like to think about it this way. We're giving you the confidence and the education to start investing. The sooner you start investing, the sooner you can start building wealth. It's all about time in the market. So the longer you're investing, the more your money is compounding out over time. Our boss, Yoni Assia, the founder of eToro, likes to call it the eighth wonder of the world, compounding, building your investments over time. So the sooner you start, the sooner you can start doing that. The average age on our platform is 31. That's about a decade younger than most people in traditional financial markets.
But a lot of people, for example, in this moment, in this period, are scared about the inflation, the recession, the economic crisis. So what are the best advices that we can give them in order to understand how to invest?
There's always something to worry about. If you let that keep you out of markets, I think that's a big mistake. What I like to say, the biggest risk is not being in markets, because markets go up over time. They do it like this, but they go up over time. So you need to be invested. You need to take the long view. You need to be diversified. You need to educate yourself. But it's time in the market. The longer you are in the market, the lower the risk of investing. So you got to get started. There's loads of tools on our platform to educate yourself, to give you the confidence to start investing. But I would just encourage everybody, start small, start diversified, but please do start.
And in this moment to start and to look at the risk, obviously, what are, according to you, the challenges and opportunities that the market can offer today?
So every time you have uncertainty like this, every time that markets have come down, as they have done over the last few months, the way to think about that as an investor is that things are cheaper. And that if things are cheaper, it means you're going to make more money in the long term. And that's very counterintuitive. Every bone in your body is going, I shouldn't be investing right now because markets are lower, there's volatility, there's things to worry about. But that is exactly the time that you should be looking to invest, or looking to invest a little bit more. I mean, we tell people, dribble your money in over time, be diversified. There are lots of strategies to help you manage volatility. But as I say, counterintuitively, when markets come down and things are cheaper, that's actually when you should be investing more, not less.
Yeah. Not to retain your money.
Exactly.
But you need to.
Exactly.
Yeah. But instead of to look into the future, also investing now and longer in order to have in the future more. But what are the next steps, maybe on technological point of view, or I don't know, cultural point of view, educational point of view? What are the next steps to keep growing in the market of investments?
So we've taken this platform to 33 million users. What's been remarkable is even with all this volatility, we're still seeing more and more people coming on the platform and other platforms every single day. So I think that's a big cultural shift of younger investors looking to take more control over their futures and coming onto the platform. Secondly, the power of community. We are the biggest social investing platform in the world. We provide lots of tools for you to educate yourselves, but the best investing tool is the other 33 million people on the platform, all communicating, all talking.
Them, involve
exactly.
them
And they're always asking for more. We started off with one asset class. Now we're doing 6 asset classes. There's more things going on the platform every single day. Currencies, commodities, stocks, different markets. So it's growing every day.
And according to this, what is the best assets or digital asset on which invest now? I don't know, cryptocurrency or the CDBC, for example, looking forward to the 2024 or other things.
Well, it's diversification. So it's never just one asset. But the one constant here is digital disruption. And we see it this year, just in the stock market. Basically, all the money you've made in the stock market this year has come from 7 big tech stocks. They're not oil companies. They're not cookie companies. They're tech stocks. And I think this is the constant in markets, is this constant technological innovation, whether that's stocks, whether that's cryptocurrencies, whether that's other assets. It's all digital disruption, and that is embraced by younger investors. So I think younger investors beginning to invest, they understand, they're the digital natives, they understand these technologies. It's a big advantage that they have. A lot of retail investors think, how can I compete against an institutional professional money manager? They have a lot of advantages, and one of them is this: they understand the most disruptive, most important trends today better than a lot of professional managers.
So we need to talk with the younger people.
Absolutely. We need to talk to our children. We need to talk to our children.
No, but I think at Gen Z, in the fintech industry, they are the next managers, they are the next investors. How to engage them in the right way, according to you, in terms of communication, in terms of education?
Absolutely, and they do it differently. They consume education differently. It's much more social. It's so you need the tools. You need to give them the tools, and you need to give them the environment to take advantage of that. And that's what I think that's what we're striving to do every day.
So thank you for your advices and for being with us today.
Thank you.